No, Looper! A soldering iron remains hot even after someone's done using it. Even though it may not look like it, the temperatures can be as high as 430 degrees Celsius. That's really hot, Looper. Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we use this excess heat from the soldering iron and run it through a thermoelectric generator to power something that can actually tell you when it's hot or not? So, Looper, you're not gonna have to burn yourself anymore. Alright, so here's what we've come up with. It's a stand for your soldering iron, with Peltier generators built in that can harvest the excess heat from your soldering iron when it's cooling down to turn on an LED when the iron is still hot. See, now the LED's off. So you're not gonna burn yourself, Looper? So, how does it work? It's got two massive heat sinks, as you can see, attached to two Peltier chips. The heat sinks keep one of the side of the Peltiers cool, and the soldering iron keeps the other side hot. There you go, you've got a temperature difference, and now you've got power. Alright, Looper, I'll leave you to it.